So, hi everyone. So, in this session, before starting the Spring Security 7 course, we will be needing a couple of tools that needs to be installed before we move ahead with the playlist. So, the first one is the JDK 25. So, we need to go to the Google and just search JDK 25. You will get onto this first link, which is from the Oracle itself. You need to go into here and you will see JDK 25 is selected. I'm on Windows, so I will be going to install this. Uh, if you are in Linux, you can use any of the Debian version. If you're on macOS, then you can go with this. So if you click on any of this particular link, I'm on a missing. So when you click it here, click on save. So this will be automatically downloaded. I have already downloaded it. And another thing that we needed is the IntelliJ IDEA. So IntelliJ IDEA. Um, you can go to the first link or you can directly click on this download button. You will came to this landing page and you need to click on download. It is automatically selected as per the operating system. So if we click on download, and this will be automatically started, but right now it's not. So if you can download, you can use this direct link. Okay, so once you click on this direct link, the file will be downloaded. I have already downloaded this and just open it to you. So first we will be going to install the JDK 25. Click on run if this pop-up appears in your system. Apart from this, okay, so the pop-up is so I have already installed it. So you need to click on yes, and it will be, and click on next, and it will be automatically installed. Another tool is the IntelliJ IDEA. You need to open it and again click on next, and it will get automatically installed. I have already installed, so I don't need to install it again. Another tool that we would be requiring is the Docker. So you need to click on Docker, click on this. This is the main URL of Docker. We need to go to the Docker desktop and click on any of the your operating system. So once you click on this icon, you will be downloaded with the installation file. Okay, so then click on save. The installation, once the file is downloaded and you click on next and it gets installed, you need to open your Docker and check whether it is working. So it will take a couple of seconds to load. And also meanwhile we can okay, so my Docker is now start. So starting the Docker. Apart from that, I need to go to the CMD command prompt and check which particular version is installed. Oops. So 25 is installed in my system. And okay, so everything everything is working fine. You can also check Docker using cmd command Docker is. So just ignore these things. We are not going to this particular video. And another thing would be the IntelliJ IDEA. And also another tool that we required is the Postman for um, I think the API testing, authentication, authorization. So you can go to Google. I think there's internet. Okay, so you need to go to google.com and download another tool which is Postman. Click on the first landing page or first URL. You can see here download the desktop app. So you can choose the Windows option. Download the appropriate architecture version of your operating system. And once you install, your you can search for the Postman in your taskbar, and Postman will look like something. The Postman will be looking like this. So just close some of the tabs. So yeah, I think we are good to start with our string security session. And these are the prerequisites. And if any tool like database or anything else comes up, we will install it at that time. But for now, this is only essential tools that is required for our Spring Security 7 course. And thanks for watching, and we'll catch up in next video. And just do like, subscribe, and share to our channel so that it can relevant content reach to the developers or whomsoever is learning from our playlist. So thank you.